Welcome to the Applications Platform training videos from Codeless Platforms. Here are the objectives and approximate running time for this video. In the previous video, we created a user, assigned a user to the partner role, and tested role permissions. We will continue our training by installing the Organization Management application, creating a group, and attaching a user to a group. To create groups, we will need the free Organization Management application. Let's check to see if it's already installed. Click the App selector to view the installed apps, and in this instance, we can see that it's not installed. Okay, let's go to Administration in the sidebar, then click Install Applications. This takes us to the Applications Platform Marketplace. If the app is not shown on the landing page, we can search for Organization Management. Select the app in the search results, and then click Install. Once completed, the button label will change to Installed. Okay, let's close the Marketplace browser tab and select Organization Management from the App selector. Select the Groups tab and click the New Group button. Enter the new group details as follows. Group name APAC. For the location, use the Lookup List button to select the Asia Pacific region. Then click Save, and the All Groups view will redisplay. We will now attach a user to a group. Select the newly created APAC group and click the Attach User button. In the Lookup List window, select the partner user. The user view will now include the partner user, indicating that the user is now a member of the APAC group. Finally, let's return to our Classic Guitars application using the App selector. And that's it for this video. We have installed the Organization Management application, created a group, and attached a user to a group. In the next video, we will add LDF functionality to the customer object, update customer LDF data, and test LDF access. Thanks for watching.